So what is good guys, Adnan here, and what better way to kick off 2019 than to showcase some of the best Android Pie custom ROMs out there. Here are the top 5 Pie based ROMs that we think are a perfect flash for enthusiasts in 2019. As the name implies, Pixel Experience brings to the board the purest form of Android, just the way Google intended. The ROM comes with a base package of Google apps, all of the Pixel wallpapers, the launcher, the boot animation and sounds pre-installed within the package. This is the closest you can get to replicating a Pixel device on a non-Google phone. In our time running and testing the custom ROM, stability was an A+, and so was the battery life. It obviously skims on a ton of features, but it didn't intend to serve as a hub for a bloated custom ROM either. If you expect the purest form of Android, then Pixel Experience is the way to go. While we still wait for the Pie builds of Resurrection Remix, what we feel is the king of all custom ROMs, Havoc OS comes the closest when it comes to pure customization without any compromises. Not only do you get some of the Pixel specific features like the now playing card on your lock screen, but you have an entire insanely long menu of tweaks to work with. You can change everything from the accent color system wide to specific animations. Even if we tried, it would be impossible to cover every single option this ROM allows you to tweak, and we highly insist you test it out for yourself. The stability wasn't the greatest as expected, but many users have reported good battery backup, and that claim holds true in my case. If you are looking for an all-around custom ROM which offers the best stability as well as a host of features to play around with, then we are sorry that just doesn't exist yet. However, CR Droid comes exceptionally close, with its goal set on providing the most stable experience, but at the same time not sacrificing on features that users might find useful. The custom ROM has also been around for a long time, and developers have prioritized each variant of the ROM to work for the device it has been designed for perfectly. CR Droid is the perfect middle ground we could find, something a little bit less bloated with features like Havoc OS, but still something more appealing than Pixel Experience. The custom ROM is available for a wide range of devices as well, and you should definitely give it a shot if you're looking for an all-around great experience. While the official builds of Lineage OS 16 are yet to be released, many interbranch developers have already been working on device-specific builds, and many have surfaced online. Lineage OS 16 without a doubt is the OG custom ROM that every flashaholic must at least have experienced once. What still pushes Lineage OS as one of the best custom ROMs available, even unofficially, is the stability and security that comes along with the package. It doesn't end there. While on the surface Lineage OS appears to be a stock adaptation of Google's Android, inside it comes baked in with some of the most useful features that even some OEMs have started to adapt in their own skins. Official builds of Lineage OS 16 should surface soon, but in the meantime you can surf through XDA for a stable, unofficial build for your device as well. POSB, or very hilariously named the Potato Open Source Project, is a series of custom ROMs that has been highly curated by lead developers in the industry and contains hand-picked features with its own taste to provide the user with a very fulfilling experience. While the amount of devices it's available for isn't the highest, what I can assure is that it feels very less like a custom ROM and feels more like something that would come baked in with your phone. It's available for the famous OnePlus One and expands to the latest buzz, the Poco F1. You can read more about this custom ROM on the beautifully designed website as well. All of this is just evidence to the fact that the custom ROM is built from the code up to provide the most custom experience. That's it for our list of the top 5 custom ROMs running atop Android Pie. Which one has gotten your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.